Repeats are available for time-stamped events. Go to Does Not Repeat, which is below the All Day checkbox. You can repeat your events daily, weekly on that day, monthly on that day, annually on that day, or every weekday, which would be from Monday to Friday. When none of the presets work for you, you can use a custom one that gives you more control over your repeats. Your event can repeat every certain number of days. For example, you can have a gym session every 2 days. Weekly repeats can be every certain number of weeks on specific days of the week. For example, you can have a conference meeting every 4 weeks on Tuesdays. Monthly repeats your tasks every certain number of months on a specific date. Or a specific day of the month. For example, you can visit the dentist every 3 months on the second Monday. Lastly, you can repeat your event every so many years. Google Calendar takes the date or date you're on as the default for your repeat. So if you create an event for 13 May, your repeat will be on the 13th of every month if you're doing monthly repeats. In this case, it also happens that the 13th of May is the second Monday of the month. So your event can also repeat on the second Monday of each month. This is where Google gets those dates and days that it uses for your repeats. One last thing to decide for your repeating events is when the repeat will end. You can set it to never, in which case it will continue repeating endlessly until you manually stop it yourself, of course. You can also stop it on a specific date. Or after a certain number of repeats, which the app calls occurrences. When you're happy with your repeats, you can save those changes and the app will add all your future events to the calendar.